inquisitive about the progress of the Crowborough, and the Commissioner Secretary Tourism had also informed the Public Accounts Committee that the Crowborough Hotel is under progress of being launched and being opened, and it will be made functional by September. In a softer way, soft launching will be done by July, we were told by the department, and the full functioning of the Hotel Crowborough in collusion or in working together with Vivanta Taj. This will be launched or opened in September 2022.
Discuss about the reports of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India of their observations over the years on various departments, of their functioning and the manner in which the government departments have been discharging their obligations and responsibilities to the people of Meghalaya by maintaining probity, transparency and also accountability, which are the hallmarks of any government where its intentions are to provide good governance to the people. So there were many audit objections and reports which pertain to the tourism department, followed by the PH department, the health department, and also the MEPDCL. Now, we had extensive discussions on tourism. The reason being that with the COVID pandemic slowly easing away, we expect a lot of footfalls in Meghalaya. But at the moment, Meghalaya still lags way behind in the number of tourists visiting us as compared to the previous years and as compared to other states, northeastern states and other states of India also. Therefore, there needs a very strong and cohesive action that has to be taken by the government to ensure that we get a lot of tourists, which means that the revenues of the state will increase, the employment opportunities also will grow, and we have been given a lot of assurances that the tourism department will do its best to ensure that the facilities that has to be accorded by any state for the promotion of tourism is given its top priority.